Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to draw Rainbow Dash from the front and especially the eyes. Now what I'm using for this tutorial is a very cheap scribbling pad, and there's a reason for it. It's very cheap, so you can make a lot of drawings and practice a lot, but also it is a little bit darker than the standard white drawing paper. That is ideal because now I can draw in the white of the eyes, extra white as you can see here, because the white is a little bit whiter than the paper itself. Okay, let's get started. What I want to draw in first are two egg-shaped rounds, and those of course are the eyes. Now the eyes are very important in this drawing, and that is why I'm drawing Rainbow Dash from the front. Here come the eyelashes, and what is very important when drawing the eyes is those sparkles that are inside the eyes. Here on the right side, one ear is seen. And then the top of the mane comes over the head, of course, and you can just see the left ear. Then here is the tip of the nose, and of course a smiley mouth. Of course I also have to draw in the left eye. Also here I'm already drawing in two shiny dots that are inside the eye. Now the shiny dots are on the pupil, so we have to draw in two circles. One for the blackness of the pupil itself, and then another circle for the color of the eye, which is the iris. Here comes the neck. When you are happy with your drawing, it is time to pick up your marker stick. Here are the top of the mane, of course. I color that in with dark blue. And then the face of the edge of the face is in light blue. I also draw in the color of the mane top. This is red, of course, orange and yellow. But this is not about the mane, it is about the eyes. So just pick up your black marker and start drawing in the pupils. Now you have to spare out those white dots that are those shiny dots on top of the eyes. Then I color in around the pupil, which is the color of the iris. I'm using a little bit of pink here, and the top of the eye is the darkest. So I go over this with red, and I even go in a little bit darker with my purple. This is what gives extra shine. Also a little bit of yellow for the sunlight that is inside the eyes. Now Rainbow Dash, of course, is light blue. So I'll color in the complete face with light blue except for the white of the eyes. Now instantly the eyes pop out even better. But when you go in with a white chalk pencil, then you can make the white of the eyes and the shines in the eyes even whiter. This gives it a very special effect. As an extra, you can also draw in a little bit of shadow by putting dark blue over the left side of Rainbow Dash. In this way it will look like the sun is coming from the right. And here with the graphite pencil I add a little bit of extra shadow. And then, well, your drawing is finished. If you enjoyed this, I hope you will give it a big thumbs up, and I wish you all the luck on your drawing. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.